Hi skaters, today's episode is one in which we're going to be talking about a technique which I, I've always thought was really fun, and it's jumping out of the quarter ramp up onto the deck. What I mean by that is like literally using the ramp to assist you and launch out and clear the coping. Totally don't even pretend the coping's there, and you're going to launch out up onto the deck. Jazz did this years ago when we first were kind of getting into this, and I'm like, what the heck? I always thought it was super cool, so I wanted to learn how to do it. We both have learned how to do it since then, and I just want to share this with you guys because it's so fun. All right, I think you first must be, comfortable with learning how to pump in and out, up and down, generating your momentum and all that, because this has got a lot of momentum, and it tends to throw you high. So you need to learn how to kind of harness that energy. So we're gonna drop in over here, and I'm gonna jump out over there onto the deck. I'm not gonna jump out over here because this deck's a little shorter. It's not as big. That's 4 foot, so I got more room. So what you want to do when you are gonna attempt to jump out here is pick your line. I kind of go from the side. I don't really go in the middle and jump straight because you kind of don't really have much area to go when you land. If you kind of get to one side of your ramp, whichever you favor as far as jumping at like kind of an angle out, get over to your favorite side and figure that out, and then go from there. Mine is the left side, and I'm going to jump out to the right, sort of. Okay, so when I do this, I'm going to focus on where I'm going to go, right? I'm going to drop in, and just before the coping, if Jazz gets a shot, see those little screws? There's one row of screws just below the coping, like about a foot below the coping there. That's kind of where you want to aim to kind of take off from. Jump and take off from. So when you go to do this, you're going to, here, let me drop down. And I'm not going to do it. Let me just kind of explain the mechanics real quick. Let me drop down real quick. All right, so when you are going up to attack this, you're going to be in the staggered position. Of course, we always talk about that, and low, and kind of attack with your arms in front of you, right? And as you're going up the ramp, you're going to pump, and before that coping, you're going to be in this position like right here, tucked, right? And as you're coming up, you want to take your arms and kind of come up. Whoops, it's hard to stand still. You're going to be in low position and arms like this. And as you're coming up, you kind of dip down real low and then rise up as you're coming up, right? And that makes sense. And kind of up, bent, uncoil and rise up and jump, take off just below this coping there, and get up and over the deck. And when you're jumping up and up onto something that's higher, right? It's going to be, you got to change your axis point when you're jumping. When you're rising up like this, you're kind of like that, right? You're kind of jumping up, right? So as you come up and over, this is very important. When you come up, you kind of want to leap and kind of dive forward, up and over. Put your arms out in front of you and go forward, because you're gonna, if you don't do that and you stay in this point here where you take off and you land like that up there, you're gonna loop back. So
Yeah.
so jump and then kind of dive sort of forward, if that makes sense.
And compress again. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, you kind of go up and then like a deer or a dog. You see?
Yeah, you compress at the bottom, extend at the top, and then compress again
Yeah.
to land. Yeah, yeah.
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try that. I'm
Oh,
gonna
okay.
drop in right here.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna use the inertia and rise up and get over that coping and land on the deck.
All right.
Hopefully. We'll see.
Here we go.
Ready?
Let's go.
We're gonna drop in, go.
Woo!
Right? So it's not that hard, but it is really fun. Okay, so again, when you go up, kind of bring your arms up and over. I'm gonna get up and jump and go the other back. Do it again.
All right, get back over there.
Got some rain, so you can see this ramp is slick right now.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah.
Okay.
It's
So
not totally dry.
we're gonna drop in, jump just before that coping, and then go over and land level up on top. Ready? arms forward. It's not a high jump, but I'm clearing the coping.
Yeah.
And it's super fun to do.
It launches you out.
It launches you
Yeah.
out,
You just got to have your body in the right position.
Yeah. Forward.
Yeah. It does look fun. It is fun. Yeah.
It is fun.
It is fun.
So I'll try it one more time.
Okay, here we go.
Ready? Nice and buttery. Right?
Yeah.
So let's do it one more time,
All right.
just so you guys can see it. You always want to, like I say, the head, arms forward, up and over. Up and over. Clear that coping. Nice and smooth.
Yeah. Cool.
So that's it. That's jumping out. It's really fun to do. Like I said, when you see people do it for the first time, it's like, wow, it's crazy. But once you get smooth with it and figure out how to just barely clear it, get up on here, it's just another trick you guys can learn and add to your, little, series of tricks you got. So hopefully you guys found this video fun and useful. It takes some energy to do this too. I'm a little bit out of breath, but I hope you guys found it fun. So hit that like button. Let's hear your comments. If you guys want to hear some, see some more videos like this or whatever, let's hear about them. Until next time, you guys, we'll see you later and have a good rest of your day.